Welcome back, everyone. We're going to continue with the week number 5 daily language review, but this is the bottom half of the worksheet. So I think on the bottom half, most of the mistakes or errors had to do with punctuation. There's a few others too. I'll explain as we go along. So for questions 1 and 2, the directions are very similar to what we've seen already. Write the sentences correctly. So number 1 says, the repair person has come over to fix the oven in Ken's kitchen. So there's really not a lot in this one that needs to be fixed. But I will tell you this word for doesn't need to be there. If you were listening as I said it, it just didn't sound right. And then the oven is in Ken's kitchen. His name is capitalized, which it should be. But it's his kitchen, so he has possession of it. So if something ends in an S and it's showing possession, or like you have it in your possession, you own it, there should be an apostrophe, right? It is his kitchen. Sentence ends in a period, which it should, and starts with a capital, which it should. So your sentence should read, the repair person has come over to fix the oven in Ken's kitchen. Number 2, I baked this cake or it turned out more like pudding, Ken explained. Now, in the original sentence, it had quotation marks at the very beginning, which it should, and it also had it at the very end. Ken is not saying Ken explained. That would be very silly if he was saying that out loud. So the quotation mark should go at the end of pudding, and right before them should go a comma, like you see right down here, right? Pudding, comma, close quotation marks. The end of your sentence should end with a period, which it does, so that's good. Ken is capitalized, which it should be because that is his name. The I at the beginning should be capitalized because it's the single word I, and also because it's the beginning of the sentence. The one other thing that needs to be added or changed in this sentence is that it says, I baked this cake or it turned out more like pudding. It's not really correct grammar. It should be, I baked this cake, comma, but it turned out more like pudding, right? So you don't need this word or right here, right? We can just cross that right off. So your sentence should read, I baked this cake, comma, but it turned out more like pudding, comma, close the quotation marks, Ken explained, period. It would not be very good if your cake was not cooked all the way. The directions for number 3 say, draw a line between the prefix and the root word of the underlined word, then explain what the word means. So our sentence is, the repair person ate a bite of the cake and agreed that it was undercooked. So our underlined word is undercooked, okay? And they want you to draw a line between the prefix and the root word. So you'll see here that I drew a line between under and cooked. The root word in the sentence is cook. The prefix is under. So pre means it goes before. So under goes before the root word. Okay? That's how you can figure that out, if a word has a prefix or not. Okay? And they want to know what that prefix means. So the prefix under can have a few different meanings. You have to look at it in context to know which one they want, okay? So in this case, if something's undercooked, it means it wasn't fully cooked or it was not cooked enough. So that's what your answer should be. Very last question, write the missing word. So number 4 says, Ken said, I hope you blank fix it quickly. So here's another one where you have to fill in the blank. And you should read it in your head or out loud, all 3 of these in that blank to figure it out. Ken said, I hope you could fix it quickly. Ken said, I hope you can fix it quickly. Ken said, I hope you may fix it quickly. The one that makes the most sense to me is this word can. Okay, so Ken said, I hope you can fix it quickly, right? Because he wants his oven fixed so he can make his cakes properly and so that they are fully cooked.